Adjusting the start and stop position of the UV lights on the large format printer. To access the machine settings for UV lights, do the following. With the machine off, press and hold all 4 buttons on the control panel and switch the machine on. This will bring us into system settings. Give it some time and use the left button to locate DrySet, heat. Now switch the machine off. For the new machines, you need to remove the 2 wires with the heat-resistant sleeving and tape them securely. They are for the heaters for eco-solvent and sublimation printers. They are not needed for UV lights. Now switch the machine back on again and wait for it to initialize completely. And go to Setup menu. And scroll down to Heat Setup. And click OK to enter. Click on Front Heat and change the current value to 0 using the up or down buttons. Then exit and do the same with Behind Heat. Great, now exit the menu. Next you go to your alignment tool. Load the artwork of a rectangle and press print. The machine will print the rectangle. Just bring the rectangle to the front so you can see it in front of the printhead. Now click on Setup and insert your password. When it's done, move the head to the beginning of the rectangle where you want the UV lights to come on the left-hand side. And in the alignment tool, press Save Left Start. And the values in the boom section should change. Then you must press Read Lamp Position, and you can now press Save Left Start. Now bring the head to the end of the rectangle and line it up to where you want the light to stop on the left-hand side. In the alignment tool, click on Save Left End. Now click on Read Lamp Position, and then press Save Left End. Now do exactly the same for the right-hand side. And once done, press Exit, and you are done.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.